quét nếu thấy có chén cứ kiếm tới miệng gõ thơm thơm ngon ngon vui là chính và những điều hay ho.
Those aldies, algae, adaphum. From sea to shining sea, and proud I could with brotherhood. One big room full of beverages. What am I doing? Oh, YouTube. Ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby. If you need me, call me, I'll be there in a hurry. TikTok already has some access. Access these nuts! Okay. Sure. Okay. Okay. Let's get to action here. Lollipop, lollipop, oh lolly, lolly, no way to show another side of your story. What? What the fuck is that? Bada bing, bada boom. Boom, 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 boom. I forgot that there are stories on TikTok. Son of a bitch. You've got to show me love.
The lion is not
We got one. Oh, we got less than a fucking minute left. Let's fucking go. Where is everybody? Where is everybody? There's like 5 of us in here. Alright, oh well. We're gonna make some money. Alright, we just rejected off of R1. We're on perp on the 500. We are in an uptrend structure. We are below the uptrend channel now. Yankee Doodle went to town to grab a bag of something. Press BRC to that. Alright, let's see what we do here. The last gold zone movement was the rejection to R1 gold zone. Oh, I got my Kim Jong-un looking hair. Oh, my laptop. I need my laptop. How am I going to take entries? So let's see if prices Price is coming down from being overbought. Come on, computer, turn on. You got to show me love. Words are so easy to. Wick to the bottom here. Oh, now we're getting pretty big bearish volume. Liddy candles are red. Three minutes left. We got news though, right? No, I know we have some news today. Oh, Michigan sentiment in half an hour. All right. Let us be patient here. Big wick to the bottom here. I have some friends that before they used to, I'm sure you guys have seen on social media and like YouTube, this guy named Tay Lopez, and a couple of my friends was considering investing with him, and then I just another friend who's an attorney in California, he was just telling me that Tay's getting, or Ty, or whatever the fuck his name is, Ty's getting sued for like $112 million. I was like, yeah, I told you guys, man. There's so many people that were making so much money during like peak COVID. All like the social media gurus and trader gurus and courses gurus. Oh man, where are they now? Where are they now? Getting sued up their asses. The pretty big hammer here. Let's see if we are supporting back on 500. We have R1 to break. So similar to the other night when price tested the top side and then rejected and came back down. That's something to be aware of right here, because today's R1 gold zone is previous day's high. We do have some solid volume here. We got about a minute left on this. Big volume. What kind of risk is that? That's a big candle. It's about an 1100 risk right at that point. $11.83. Possible first candle to go green Liddy, but we're getting some rejection here. Let's just see how price respects the gold zone or not. I like the volume in the candle. I don't like that it kind of backed off there towards the end, but that's good. That's good because it could be a sign that we're rejecting this area like the other night, or it could just mean we're not quite ready to break up here just yet. But let's see. Maybe we'll get this early volume before all the news. We do have a lot of Fed speeches later in the day, so we'll either probably see big volume or we'll see ranging here. I just realized that the pant I bought on fucking Lululemon is slim fit. My thick ass thighs were not like that. Shit. I'm gonna have to return that. So big rejection there. This is exactly what I was saying to be careful of. We're still right here on perp-ish, so let's see what we're doing. Let's see if this is a true rejection of R1 or if price is just playing with us right now. I could have sworn I got the regular cut. Son of a bitch. But you know what? The nice thing is, the pant cost me $99, so it's $100. I can go return it for a gift card, and then I can just go sell it for. I can go sell a gift card. Maybe I could just take like I'll sell it for 90, and then I still would have made like 15 bucks. Take that, Lululemon. So big support to the bottom there. Still, this might be second candle to go green litty, so yeah, let's just be patient here. This can go either way right now. Damn it, I didn't know that. I thought I bought the other one. Fucking slim fit. Ain't no way my ass is fitting into slim fit shit. Big wick to the bottom. Morimoto. See if we get the continuation here. We got a minute left. We got big support to the bottom. Are we going to break or are we going to bounce? Same shit we ask ourselves every day. Are we going to break or are we going to bounce? Big wick to the bottom though. What does that tell us? Based off of deduction, price doesn't look like it wants to go down. But until we get a nice break of R1, which is the previous day high, it's tough for me to believe. That is nice though. I wish that was like if that was like a strong hammer. That's like a, I don't know what the fuck that is. So not quite. I don't know how I feel about that. See how this next candle treats the gold zone. If we break here, right, because we're going back overbought. So if we're going back overbought, that means we're going to continue the uptrend. If we show some resistance and selling volume, then I would believe in the opposite coming down. And if we push up, we got, yeah, previous day R1 is roughly R2 gold zone. I'm looking at all the reasons or where we might reject if we do head up. I guess really the only thing is, yeah, up here towards R1 gold zone to the top side. Let's see if we can get some volume. Dun, 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 dun. Previous day high. Oh, not previous day. It's like 2 days. Oh no, it is. No, it's 2 days ago high. We're at previous day high now. So if we break previous day high, then we have 2 days ago's high to run up to. But then we have what, London low, right? That's kind of where we rejected the day before that. So London low. Oh, that's about right. That's about right. Ain't no mountain high, ain't no valley low, ain't no river wide enough, baby. Hey, sweet cheeks, you come here often? Let me get a double Jameson on the rocks. Sweet cheeks. Got some volume to the top side. When is news? News is in what? In 15 minutes? Yep. Give us the fucking volume. I mean, excuse my language. Please, kind sir. Please bless us with some vertical momentum. 15 minutes, right? 16 minutes. Michigan consentiment. Michigan sentiment. You're off mute, Ruben. Love you. Oh. What up? Where'd you go, Ruben? So this candle's giving us some volume to the top. It is dying out here, though. Let's see how the next candle looks. Oh, no, let's see. We got some volume. We got some rejection. Let's see here. The one thing that I'm cautious about is the fact that we are, getting overbought. So all of these rejections to the top sometimes tickle me. Let's see, we're still getting some support here. And how much did we move for the day? I didn't even check. We moved about 3,600 for the day, so we're pushing that minimum. Promethazine. All right, so that's volume. Once again, this is the first candle outside of the previous day high. This is where it can get janky. Because just like the other day, you guys saw that, right? Price shot up, rejected, and then came down. So we'll have to see what we do here. If this is where maybe we're getting faked out here. And remember, 2 days ago at 6:30, sometimes there's nothing you can do about it, right? You're going to get faked out sometimes. Like even for us, right? That's a big volume candle pushing up at 6:30 2 days ago. You're bound to. But remember, the reason why we do the whole one contract and then add to it is so that during those times that we don't have control over that movement, we take the bare minimum loss. So just remember that. Take the first entry, especially when we're running into another resistance or support. Wait for it to break, then add contracts. If not, the one contract, how we do it, and then adding to it, I promise you guys, that is the game changer to keeping your guys' win rate higher. Not win rate, I mean end money. The end money, right? Because it's okay. Like if you guys looked at my trade rundown, I pretended like I took it, right? With the one lot. Even taking the $45 loss, after that, taking the sell-off, I quickly made that back up. Whoa! Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give it to us. Just fucking give it. Just fucking run. Ah! Oh, yes. Oh! Oh! Yes. Oh! Oh! Get us above the level. Remember now, what I'm afraid of is getting up into this area where level is, you know, we're like all London of 2 days ago is. So, but let's give it its time. Got a minute and a half left on this candle. Still pretty solid. Big hammer. Liddy candles are still green. Support off of gold zone. See, and we're starting to, the amount of pips that we're moving are starting to increase, right? We used to go like barely 3,000 pips. Yesterday was 4,400. Today we moved 4,000. So I myself am going to be looking to maybe TP, maybe move stop loss into profit here. I'm trying to see how these candles look as we approach this next level. Protect the profits. Protect the profits. Shit, I should make a shirt. I should make a shirt. Protect the profits. Juice Strat, protect the profits. PTP. We got 2 seconds left. Strong hammer. I need this to break. You're out. Ah, you're squeezing your ass cheeks, huh? You're squeezing your ass cheeks. Why don't you stay in it? Oh, everybody's weak. Fucking weak. I'm just giving you guys shit. I'm gonna say that now, and then I'm gonna stay in it, and then I'm gonna fucking lose. Nah. Let's see what we do here. I might start trailing this current candle. Yeah, so I'm gonna trail this current candle that we're on right now. Boom. Oh my god, it just came right back down. The moment I dropped my stop loss, it came back down. You fucking bitch. I mean, good though. Good, because literally the moment I dropped my stop loss, price dropped. Oh, the pip gods. You guys always got my back. The pip gods. You guys always got my back. Oh. That's why I'm the chosen one, guys. I'm the fucking chosen one. Oh, so I'm out 600. I was the most I got into profit here was 400, a little over 400. And then I swear to God, the moment I dropped that stop loss, I promise you the next second, millisecond, less than a second, price came back down like that right there. So we're good, guys. I'm Gucci. 600 for the day. I was hoping to get at least a G, but you know what? It's okay because once again, where we're at, like this is exactly what I was saying could possibly happen, right? As we're getting up to this level here, we got previous 2 days ago. This is where all the action started to happen here. So when we see shit like that, and here's the thing, guys, when you look at these areas that drop and climb, right? So look at 2 days ago, right in this area, right? This is like the high of the day here and our high of the day peak R1 gold zone that we were trying to break there. And then when we look at, you know, where it started, it's roughly right over here. And that's exactly what we capitalized on there, right? So remember, every time there's runs like that, every time there's a big drop, every time there's a big push up, brokers have lost money. Well, maybe they didn't lose money, but they didn't make as much money as they could because there wasn't enough time to match up buyers with the sellers, right? That's what brokers like to do. In a perfect world, the brokers, every time somebody goes in for a sell, they'll match them with a buyer. Every time a buyer gets into a buy, they'll match them with a seller. So whoever is losing is going to offset the cost there, and it's not like the bank giving up anything. It is just the loser giving the winner money. So there's always going to be a time when price corrects itself and makes up for that drop down over there 2 days ago. So we haven't really had a drop like that, you know, since 2 days ago. So today was that just pushing right through. So very good. I did enter in off of 630. So my first entry was at 630. I did start to add to it after 635 as price started moving up. So when you guys see my trade rundown, you guys will see like, yeah, I did enter in at 635, but I entered in as like maybe like 636, 635ish as price is pushing through it. So I just believe in it. Believe in the gold zones, guys. Believe it or not, that right there could, you know, that's a paycheck right there. So just from the entry, let's say 635 up to the high, that's 1,100 pips, almost 1,200 pips. 50 cents a pip, 600, right? That's exactly what I took. Very, very conservative, but will definitely pay the bills and continue to help me live my lifestyle. So there's levels to this, guys. Remember that. And yes, you know, a lot of people do ask me, does a lot of my money that I currently have and I currently spend come from trading? Yes, but it's over the years, right? Like I got a nice fat savings. So yes, right now I don't have to make as much so that I can teach you guys good habits, but I did, like the money that I accumulated over these years, I've put to good use with the steel company. I have a marketing company. I also still buy and sell cars. You know, I do a lot of things that I've accumulated my money from trading. You know, that's what allowed me. So make sure you guys are doing that, right? Like the trading thing is cool. It can allow you to stop working, but think bigger, right? Think bigger. Not to say that you can't do this for the rest of your life, but just do more. I was always taught that new money is good money, and I want you guys to know that new money is good money. So I don't care what you guys do. Once you become good at this and you can be consistent, work on whatever the fucking passion part is, like I was talking about. Figure out what the passion is and work towards it, especially if this allows you to make consistent money. And that's about it. All right, guys. I'm not gonna stay on the charts. I need to go pack. I need to drive about 3 hours tomorrow, so or 2.5. So prices right in between two gold zones. If I was to be waiting for something else, I don't know what it would be. The only thing I would be possibly waiting for is like price to get back to perp, right? I feel the most confident taking my entries where perp is, so Alrighty, guys, good shit today. I hope everybody was able to grab a piece of that. Once again, I'm gonna GTFO. I gotta go start packing. I have a whole bunch of shit to pack for the international trip. So I got like 3 luggages and carry-on that I have to figure out. So, alrighty, guys, good entry today. I will see you guys Monday. Message me if you guys need me. I'll wait for Nick to stop typing. Yuzo, peace, Yuzo. Everybody Gucci. Don't forget November 2nd, right? Sunday, daylight savings time. So remember daylight savings time. It doesn't really affect us in America, right? But, well, I guess none of you guys. Oh, maybe Irfan. Irfan, it's going to affect you. And Yuzo, it'll affect Yuzo. Everybody who's not in the States, you got to remember you're going to be 1 hour behind or 1 hour ahead. Like for us in the States, it'll just be like normal shit, right? Still 6:30, but just, yeah, you know what I mean. So like for me over here, it's daylight savings time. Daylight savings in America, we lose an hour. So for you, like what time is 6:30 for you? What time is New York open for you? Seven. Oh yeah, because it's yeah, you're right in the middle. So you'll have to be on at 6 p.m. And you'll see like when November 2nd hits, when Sunday hits, you'll see that the timing is different. And it's just the US thing. The US has daylight savings where it goes back an hour, and then during like summertime it goes ahead an hour. So yeah, even for me too. Like over here in Vietnam, I'll have to be on at 7:30 p.m. Perfect. Yeah. Just I mean, I'll remind you guys too. So it's not a big deal. I mean, it's a whole hour, so it can be a big deal. But yeah. Alrighty, guys. Looks like price is going to continue up. I'm pretty sure it's going to continue up. I wish it didn't fucking reject that much, but oh well. Alrighty, guys, good entry. I'm gonna go post my video and I'm gonna start packing. So enjoy you guys' weekend and loves you. I will see you guys Monday. Laters.